Why am I so afraid just to say a hello? Hey. Or to pick up the phone just to say what is up? It's been a long time and I've been thinking, give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing.
This restaurant is amazing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, the restaurants?
Yeah. The past I ate sweet lasagna.
Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Happiness Timothy. The vlog, yes, it's summer and we are vlogging outdoor today.
It's been a good day, now it's time for us to celebrate. Let's hit the town, get ready now. I'll roll you one on the way. The night is young, down goes the sun. Now it's time to have some fun. Let's get high, tonight's the night. Let's smoke this and then we can slide.
We are in Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, nicest city next to Nice. As you see, we have a lot of vegetation here. We're going to hotels and villas around the sea and the rocks. Temperature is about 26 degrees Celsius. We have a great weather and working is good here. We have a map. We have Presqu'île de Giens, Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, Capo Falcone, Mer de Ligurie, Gênes, Cap Corse, Cap Foro, Île d'Elbe, Fosso Charone, Italia. A nice place with turquoise water. Some vasques. Some turquoise water. We'll see in a little beach there.
I know what you can do, change the world, I know it's true. Oh, oh. In your eyes a million skies, painted pink and blue and white. Oh, oh. So don't stop now, you're getting so close. And don't stop now, you're further than most. Yeah, hear me out, I think you should know that. You should know that you got that glow. Can't stop that slow rise, yeah. You got that glow. Can't stop that slow rise, yeah. up that hill, yeah. You are building up your wheel, and when you make it, don't stop there, cause you can go near anywhere that can't stop that slow rise, yeah. You got that glow. Can't stop that slow rise, yeah. I know what you can do, change the world, I know it's true. Oh, oh. In your eyes, a million skies painted pink and blue and white. Oh, oh. You got that glow. Can't stop that slow.
The vlog going to the end. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.
Thank you very much for watching this video. If you watch this amazing content and you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? This is just an example to tell you that what will be coming up on this channel is going to be a massive one. Please subscribe and join the family of Jesus Lover. Lots of vlog will be coming, and see you in my next vlog. The next video, the second part of this video is coming up. Please subscribe. More content are coming. You will enjoy yourself. You will see a lot of places through my lens in this summer. Stay tuned. See you on my next vlog.